Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. And now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class Junior 1. And it's your 13 number class, okay? And you have no homework. This class is about fill in the blanks 6 to 10 discussion. Okay? Dear students, I have written here fill in the blanks 6 to 10. I have written here the 5 fill in the blanks. Number 6 is about pet and an whale gap. It would be dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Okay. Number 7, Samir is a gap, postman. Dear students, imagine that I have written here postman. This P is capital P, but if I write like this P is small p. Okay, this P is capital P, this P is small p. So be alert at the time of writing either capital P or small p. This is small and this is capital. Okay. So this postman's P would be small letter. So this length would be at the lower part. Dear students, follow. This P is capital and it's small. So capital P, this part would be at the upper part. Okay, this part would be upper and small p is, this part would be lower. Okay. Then this P is small. So I have written like this. Then number 8, Mr. Sohan Lal is a gap, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Number 8, mother had a hat, H-A-T, hat, cap. Okay. Number 10, pet has a cot, C-O-D, cot. I am repeating again, dear students, for your better understanding. Number 6, pet and an will dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Number 7, Samir is a postman, P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman, at a time, no gap, huh? P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Number 8, Mr. Sohan Lal is a farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R. Then number 9, mother had a hat, H-A-T, hat. Number 10, pet has a cot, C-O-D, cot. Dear students, you don't have any homework regarding this lecture, and I hope you all got understood today's class. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.